Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to get a at-home blowout done by using just one tool. This Conair ceramic tool has been in my life for 4 years now, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. I have replaced my hair dryer, straightener, and curler with this one thing, and it's amazing. I have really curly hair, so maintaining that is a whole other story. So when I do my hair, you know, it lasts me a good like 4 to 5 days, and I don't have to worry about it. Whereas if I keep it curly, I have to wash it every other day because I have to put all these products in my hair to maintain it. So when I discovered this, let me tell you, I got from Sally Beauty for only $40, and sometimes they have these great deals online and you can get for 18 bucks, but I haven't needed to replace it for almost 2.5 years now. My girlfriends are always asking me how I get the best blowouts, and this is it. This is a tool. I want to show you guys my secret, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair with this Hot Toddy by Dry Bar. And I have nothing in my hair. I just washed it, let it air dry for a little bit so I don't have to use a lot of heat on my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead towards the ends and just a little bit on top. Now I'm going to go ahead and section my hair. So the first section is going to be the top layer. And the next one is the mid area, just go right between my ears and the top of my bun. Gonna twist that all around the first bun and clip it. And now I have 2 sections in the back, just like this. I'm gonna go ahead. So I just finished my first section, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair now. So I only have one section left. I like doing something a little different with my top section. So I like to part it now into 2 on top right here. I'll keep this front still tied like that, and then just clip it down. And then take whatever I have up here. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I would love to answer them. If you guys haven't already, like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and show your girl some love. See you soon.